Simple tips and tricks to make weight loss easy. There are hundreds, perhaps thousands, of weight loss plans and programs that promise to help you achieve the healthy side of life. In reality, it will be a firm plan in concert with your achievable goals that will be the one that works for you. These tips are a starting point from which to begin putting that plan into action. 2 fantastic words for weight loss: eat salad. Not exciting enough? Research by Joel Fuhrman of Eat to Live shows that the most overweight people can lose prodigious amounts of weight eating prodigious amounts of nutrient-rich, low-calorie food. One key is simplicity. Try an entire head of romaine, chopped very fine. The water method in the blender is useful, and topped with an entire can of chili beans. It's a tasty, 300-calorie lunch that is jam-packed with fiber, protein, and vitamins. It will keep you full for hours, not to mention what it will do for your intestinal health. Consider making weight loss into a fun adventure instead. Break up your workout routine by going out dancing instead. If you stay away from sugar-laden drinks and calorie-ridden chasers, you'll be burning calories all night. Who knows? You might even catch somebody's eye. Either way, you'll have fun with friends and sweat it out at the same time. In order to make sure you drink enough water, each morning, you should fill a container with the amount of water you need to drink. Each day make sure you drink all the water in the container, over the course of the day. This will help you to know how much you've drunk and also, to make sure you get the proper amount of water needed to lose weight and get in shape. Finding exercise that you enjoy is crucial if you are going to be successful. Studies show that it is very vital that you exercise to be successful at weight loss. Some things to try make working out fun would be to play a fitness video game, go on a family hike, or play with your children in the outdoors. When you want to have a snack or are eating a meal, make sure you sit at the table to eat. Sitting down to eat helps you avoid mindless eating while losing weight, so you can avoid eating more than you planned. Eating at the table also helps you control portions. Anytime you reach a weight loss goal, big or small, celebrate it. You can buy a small gift or do something special that you have fun doing but don't regularly get to do. This will keep you motivated and on the right track. Weight loss can be a roller coaster ride if you are not focused on your plan. The tips and advice you have watched here are some helpful ways to begin to take control. Devise and build a plan that is suited to your needs and your way of life and be consistent. Roller coasters are only fun in amusement parks. Now that I have shown you the 3 mistakes that make gain weight, I have another free offer for you, the intermittent fasting formula. You will really love it. Are you looking for a better and faster way to lose weight and get healthy? You need to use the intermittent fasting formula. What is intermittent fasting formula? Intermittent fasting is a way of eating that focuses not on what you eat but when you eat it. Based on the ancient concept of fasting, this diet protocol can be done in several ways but with the same goals of improving overall well-being and health and achieving a healthy body weight. People often like intermittent fasting more than other types of diet because it allows them to eat the foods that they enjoy without being restricted to fat-free or low-calorie meals. Click the link below and access the intermittent fasting formula for free.